In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the touchpad setting is not showing up in Windows 11 and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is if you're having a trouble with it, this is what you have to do. First one, just go over here in the search. Now we need to type here for device manager. Once you type here, just click on the device manager here. Now what happens is that is going to take you to this. Now from here, as you can see, you have to expand this. Now from here, we have to go over here and find, over here, you just need to go over here and find human interface devices. You have to expand this. And from here, you will be having an option here called touchpad. For me, I'm demonstrating with my computer PC, so I don't have a touchpad here. But the users who are watching this, you'll be having an option here for touchpad. Then you have to right click on the touchpad and go over here, click on update driver. Now that is going to take you to this. Now click on search automatically for drivers. That is going to take you to this, and make sure if it is already updated, you just need to go back and click on browse my computer for the drivers. Now from here, select, let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer, and from here you have to select the touchpad. You'll be having something here written with touchpad. You have to select it and just go for the next. Once it is done, most probably it will be updated and the issue might be fixed up. Still, if you're having the trouble, then the issue might be related to a computer. So what you need to do is you just need to go over here, search here for CMD, and make sure that you run this as an administrator. So just click on it. Now what happens is that is going to run as an administrator and just go for yes. Now what we need to do is we just need to type here SFC, then put a space /scan now, and you have to just press enter. Then what happens is this is going to run a system scan on a computer, and if it is going through any kind of an issue and all those things will be fixed by this, so it is going to do a cross check which you have to just wait, and this is going to take hardly around 10 minutes, so you have to keep in mind that. And once it's successfully done, most probably the issue might be fixed. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.